This video will explain how to microalbuminuria rapid test at home. A microalbuminuria test is a urine test that detects small amounts of albumin, a protein that can leak into your urine when your kidneys are damaged. Before you start, please read test procedure, how to use the test, and interpretation of the results. Before performing the test, allow the test cup to equilibrate to room temperature. The test can be used by women or men, but for women, the test should not be performed during or for 3 days after your menstrual period. The test can include test midstream, color chart, and instruction. Collect urine specimen by a disposable, clean, dry plastic cup. Remove the test midstream from the pouch. Dip the midstream vertically in the urine specimen for at least 10-15 seconds. Take the test midstream out of the urine specimen and place it on a flat surface. Wait for the colored lines to appear. Read the result as 3 to 5 minutes. It's going to be a negative results for microalbuminuria test. Then we compare the results with the color chart. The test line's similar to G5, so the test result is negative.